Hi, hip stitch customers, people, clients, clients that I haven't seen in a long time. We miss you. We're having a hard time not being at the store, but I am making this video to show you my studio and my fantastic, amazing, out of this world sewing table that I bought from Steve and Suzanne. And it's an ever sewn table and it's amazing. I love it. So come over to show you. This is my studio. I just moved here a couple of months ago and it's just a bedroom. It was my boyfriend's office, and little by little I've been pushing him out, and now I think I'm all over the place, and I love it. I have a great light. Right now I close the blinds to, because it was too much light. But I'll show you what a wonderful view I have. And this is the table that I'm talking about. It's an ever sewn table and it's very sturdy. It took me a couple of hours to assemble it and I needed help, but it's not that bad. It's not that hard. And what I love about this table is not only that it's very sturdy, is that you can use it like this and even like a desk if you need it. And also you can put your sewing machine and flush with the table. You can also order, if you give your the brand and the model of your sewing machine, you can order an acrylic insert to put it here with your sewing machine. And I didn't do it because this Berlin already has one, and probably I will do it with the other, with this one, with the Yuki, not Yuki. I love my sewing machine. Actually, it's working a lot, and I work these two at the same time, almost at the same time. And it really doesn't rattle. It's amazing. I love it. It has some storage here, some drawers, a deep one, and I have my my serger down there, and sometimes I put it here. I have my ironing board here, and there's more storage here. You can also order a little, it's just a little chest that goes down here, like this one, but smaller, with about this tall, and with about four drawers. You can order it separate, and it can go down here. I didn't order it because I already had this, and I don't think I need more. Well, this is my studio. I still might let my boyfriend have a little bit of his file cabinet there and his printer and nothing else. And this is my cutting table, my improvised design table. I'm making a baby quilt right now. The baby already is here and I haven't finished. And I have wonderful views. Let me show you. This is the best part, I think, of I have the open space. So I see people hiking, in bikes. I have a couple of squirrels that are my friends. I start leaving some strawberries and some fruit for the squirrels. I also have views of the backyard. So I can't complain. Well, thank you very much, and hopefully you will get excited about this table like I have been. I have never had anything like this, and it's a big difference. I didn't know what I was missing because I was so used to about trying to do it fast and rattling and the sewing machine moving everywhere, and now everything is in its place. I really love it. Talk to Suzanne and Steve about it, and I ordered it through them. And it's ever sewn like the sewing machines that we sell at the store. Thank you, and keep doing masks. Bye-bye.